Ndewo na nkuzi ụbọchị taa n'ilu Igbo. Aha m bụ Nwada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's topic, we're going to talk about Igbo Proverbs again. Guess what today's keyword is? Kola nut, OG. Okay, today we're going to talk about OG in Igbo language. To us, the Igbos, the kola nut means a whole lot. It symbolizes peace. It symbolizes unity. That's why when you go to an Igbo man's house, they first offer you OG, kola nut. Okay. And the right of breaking the kola nut is always left for the eldest person in the gathering, or the king, if the king is the eldest person. But it's always preferred that the eldest person break the kola nut. But in this modern age, where we now have religion like Christianity, in gatherings, the breaking of the kola nut can be left to the religious leader there, like maybe the priest or something, not out of right, but just out of respect. Okay? All right. Let's look at the symbolism of kola nut in the Igbo culture. Okay? Let me pick my pen. One cotyledon kola nut is called OG obo or dumb kola. It's called OG obo, and it's not eaten. Okay, a two cotyledon kola is called OG more. OG more. It's like kola of the spirit. It's given to the spirit or our ancestors. When it's broken, you throw it to the ground or to the earth. That signifies that it has been given to the spirits. Three cotyledon kola, it's called OG Kenga or OGK, kola of the valiant. Okay, OG Kenga or OGK. As a matter of principle, this kola is eaten only by warriors, ordained, and or brave persons. Okay, this particular kola can be eaten only by warriors, ordained person, or brave person. Okay, 4 cotyledons is called Ojudo Nangozi. Ojudo Nangozi, that is kola of peace and blessing. So it's a normal kola and can be eaten by anybody. Anybody can eat the kola by all. We have kola with 5 cotyledons. It's called Oji Omumo na Okwoma. Oji Omumo na Okwoma. That is kola of procreation and increase. Okay, it can also be eaten by all. We have 6 cotyledon kola. It's called Oji Ndị Mmụọ na Ndị Mmadụ Jiri Gbaa Ndụ. Oji Ndị Mmụọ na Ndị Mmadụ Jiri Gbaa Ndụ, which is communion with the ancestors. Kola for communing with the ancestors. And this particular kola can be eaten except for the smallest cotyledon, which is thrown to the ancestors. You can eat this particular kola, but the smallest cotyledon in the 6 cotyledons is given to our ancestors. That means it can be eaten by people and can be eaten by our ancestors as well. That's why it's called Ojinde Mon and the Madijire Bando. Okay, Another one we have here is 7 cotyledon, which is very rare. Okay, it's called OG Organiru. OG Organiru, which is color of prosperity. It's a sign of good omen. Okay, OG Organiru. All right. Next, let's see some proverbs with OG. The first one we have is Onye wetere OG wetere udo. Onye wetere OG wetere udo, which means he who brings kola brings peace. Okay, so when you go to somewhere, maybe there is conflict and then you want to resolve, you first of all break kola. It also kind of gives you time for everything to settle before you start your mediation or something like that. Okay, he who brings kola brings peace. Another one is Oji ro uno okwo ebe o siri bia. Oji ro ulo uno okwo ebe o siri bia. When the kola nut reaches home, it will tell where it came from. Okay, Oji ro uno okwo ebe o siri bia. Ahụhụ na ata ọjị nọ ya n'ime. Ahụhụ na ata ọjị nọ ya n'ime. The ant that destroys a kola lives inside it, which is true. Literally is true, and in meaning is also true. It can mean your problem or something that is disturbing you is within you. You alone know it. Or in some instances, it's a bad example, but in some instances, maybe someone that is coming against you or is fighting against you is someone that knows you, someone you know, not a stranger. Okay, most of the time people that hurt us and does bad things to us are actually people we know, not strangers. So aho na toji no ya me. Right, and that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, speak up, speak out, speak with your friends, your family. Speak by writing in the comment section below. Okay, once again, favor this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Igbotutorials. My name is still Blessing Ifunanya Chukuma. Till next time, come and send the bayan.